Welcome to gospicers, your online store powered by Spicers Canada. gospicers is designed to make purchasing paper, graphics, and packaging for your business easy and efficient. Whether you are a small, medium, or large business, we reliably provide your ideal product. Even without an account, you can browse our full product selection, check out product descriptions, and access product information from safety data sheets to installation instructions and more. With an account login, you unlock even more, including pricing and national inventory availability, access to our tools and resources, account management like custom list building, order history, and access to exclusive sale items. With gospicers, shopping online is simple, fast, and tailored to your business's needs.